This is not my hair, but it sure looks like my hair. And I cannot wait to walk you through the process of how I did this. I hope you enjoy. I'm sure you will, so just keep watching. Mic check, mic check. 1, 2. Hello guys, it's Ivy. Hello girlfriends. Take 2. Hello guys. Welcome back to my channel. And today I'm going to be doing my hair, and it's going to be a style I've never done before. I've never had to crochet my hair myself ever in my life. But it's the first time for everything. Hopefully this hair doesn't take so much time because I need to go eat. I need to eat because I need to keep these gains. Anyway, so today's video is sponsored by HOTBRAIDS. Period. Yeah. So this is how it came in the delivery, whatever. First off, we have a very cute tote bag, a HOTBRAIDS tote bag. And we have a very cute pink spray bottle. Oh my god, yes. And then we have this, and this is where we have all the tools that are supposed to help me achieve this style. But most importantly, we have the hair. So this is how many inches? I think this is like 18 or 20. Yeah, I'll let you know how many inches. I'll put it on the screen. But this is a YAKI straight. It's supposed to blend with my natural hair. Oh my god, this texture, it feels amazing. Anyways, enough of the yapping. Let's get straight into it. First off, the big reveal. Oh my god! Don't be scared, it's just me. So I just brought one out, and this is what it looks like. Hope it's clear enough. Right? Alright, so I figured it out, but first of all, I just wanted to let you know the style I'm going to be doing. So it's going to be a leave out. So I did a 360 with a middle part. Yeah, I separated that area so that I can use my natural hair to cover it. That's what it's called. That's what a leave out is called. So for how to do the hair, so basically, that's it. So I'm just gonna keep going. That was a struggle. I'm not gonna lie, that was a struggle. Oh my god. Just imagine how big my forehead is gonna be, but like, let's keep going, right? Hopefully that was a good one. Hopefully. Just come and and do this hair. I beg, no vex. Because if I do this thing by myself, I'm probably gonna be here for a while. And I don't want to stress too much. You can totally do this hair by yourself, but I'm choosing not to because I can't see the back of my head. And if I had that 3-part mirror, that would have been better. But I'm not seeing the back of my head, so it's just gonna take me a while. I feel like I should distribute the hair evenly around my head. So yeah. Hi, Manny.
Okay, so I'm all done. And this is
Wait, who's that?
Hey.
No, that was not squinting. I was just squeezing her face. See her face. No.
And that's what he would do with you properly. You would pray fire, but it's always for a good cause. So pray these prayers at your own risk, because the answers come faster than Amazon Prime. There's a
But I love this hair so much. It's so lightweight. It doesn't even feel like there's any hair or any extension on my head. It's just perfect. So freaking lightweight. What the hell? All done. Oh my god, it doesn't even feel like there's anything on my head. Thank you, NASA. Please help me open this to show them like what inside looks like. Let me zoom a bit.
You have to go and buy that.
We haven't straightened the hair or anything, and it's already looking this luscious. Thank God this does not have any weird smell. This hair, I honestly prefer YAKI straight to regular straight hair, to be honest, because when it comes to lasting straightness, like YAKI straight does it for me. This hair is going to be straight and it doesn't really require much maintenance as opposed to the straight hair that can easily, like, you know, wrinkle. And now I'm just going to straighten this hair, this side in real time to show you that it doesn't take anything to get it straight. Okay. Now, can you see? Can you see? What? That easy. That easy. And I can guarantee you, even before I installed this hair, I was telling my friend, I was just saying that this hair is going to last a lot, like before you have to straighten it back again. It's going to really, like the straightness will last so much before you even have to straighten it back. And maybe like, let's just say you pack the hair up and then you see some folds or something. Straightening the hair back is not going to cost you. It's not even going to cost you any much time. Basically, 30 seconds, 1 minute, you're done. Let's get this straight. And this hair took me only, ouch, an hour and a half to install. So I'm also going to try to see if this hair can accept curls. For now, let's blend, blend, blend. Just a little wax, but just to the roots only. Just being careful not to burn myself. So I think I'm just going to have to try using holding spray. Okay, that's better. That's better. That's a lot better. So this is the finished product, and this is what 20 inches of these extensions will give you. It's so pretty. It feels like my hair. I feel like my hair would have blended a lot better if it was actually the same color. And this is actually 1B. So I think I'm going to be like I'm going to dye my hair a little darker just in case of next time. Because on a normal day, my hair is usually like lighter than extensions. So this would also be a very cute way to wear it. And of course, I can pack it in a pony because I did a 360 leave out style. This is what a bundle will give you, which is 250 density, and it's full enough for a whole head of hair. This is just one bundle, just one. So the texture is between light yaki and kinky. Note that. Every other thing you need will be in the description box. Yeah, including the link to order this hair. But yeah, thank you for watching. Bye bye, my loves. See you in the next one.